Have you heard of this scented candle that makes your house have a very sweet smell, and at the same time, it has the ability to kill insects such as mosquitoes, flies, and cockroaches? Let me show you how it is made. You will need 3 candles, and you put them inside a frying pan like this. Allow the heat to melt the candles. After the candles have melted, you remove the wicks. Don't throw away these wicks. We will need them later in this project. Scented candles that can kill or repel insects have an ingredient called cloves in them. Cloves powder has the ability to kill or repel insects due to their strong aroma and active compound called eugenol. Clove powder has insecticidal and antimicrobial properties in them, which repels or kills insects. So this video, I'm teaching you how to produce a scented candle that can repel insects and at the same time make your house to have a very sweet and pleasant smell. So you can see how this is produced, very easy. Now I'm going to light up the scented candle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video and follow me. Goodbye and have a lovely day.